Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. Okay, Igbo queen, Igbo queen, Igbo queen, Igbo queen zono. Oh, my beautiful Igbo men, women, guys, children, depending on your age, you are all beautiful. Okay, and I'm so proud that you are proud of your dialect, your mother's tongue. You're proud of it, and that is why you clicked on this video. Sorry, quick introduction. On this channel I do Igbo language learning. Also I bring in vlogs from time to time just to add a little bit of spice on this channel. You know that thing, that moment like all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. I don't want when you get notification on your channel you're like, this teacher has come again, and probably you're not in the mood to learn. So I try to bring in vlogs, so if you don't want to watch the Igbo language, or if you're tired of learning, you can just shift over and watch a few vlogs I have on my channel. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not yet. If you're old to this channel, thank you. You know I love you so much. Please endeavor to also give this video a like, because when you do that, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people for me, and of course it makes me happy, right? Okay, let's go into today's video. Today's video is a bit of fun. We already know we are in winter already, and we want to know the winter vocabulary, and that is the reason for this video. Winter vocabulary. I try to use this vocabulary for my daughter from time to time. It's difficult, right? But I do that. See, I have my flaws too. I teach Igbo on this channel. My daughter is 2 years plus and going to 3 years in a few months time. We are also learning how to speak Igbo. I also teach him I teach her how to speak Igbo as well. It's a struggle, it's a fight. But the thing there is, I know if we don't relent, I know if we don't give up, at the end of the day she'll know this is her tongue and she doesn't have any choice in learning it. Because the struggle here is, when I speak Igbo to her, she'll reply me with English. It's crazy. She doesn't forget any English word, and she forgets Igbo word. And I use this Igbo for her every day in the house. This is just the language we use in the house, Igbo. We don't try to even speak English at all. Even when I am talking with my husband, most of the time we try to use only Igbo language. But yet, I don't know, I just don't know, it's crazy, but we keep going. So this short story is just to encourage you that is learning Igbo, that you're not alone. This is just a normal struggle, but the determination within you is what will scale you through. Okay, so guys, back to the video. We're in winter already, and of course winter is a very cold weather. Now I want to tell you some Igbo vocabularies we use during winter. Okay, Oyi is cold. Oyi, 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 oyi. Oyi is cold. Oyi, oyi. And when you're feeling cold, do you understand? Before you put on your jacket, you're cold, right? When you're feeling cold, you say oyi na atum. Oyi na atum. Oyi na atum. Guys, follow my lips please, so you can, follow up. Oyi na atum. 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 That is when you're feeling cold. This is what you tell the person next to you, that oyi na atum. Oyi na atum. That is, you are feeling cold. Okay, and now you're feeling cold, right? You know what is, I'm feeling cold already, like oyi na atum. Now you would want to be covered, right? Let's say you're on the bed, you want to be covered. You say uchiemu aho. Uchiemu aho. Uchiemu aho. Uchiemu aho. They can cover you with blankets, with wrapper, with whatever, with duvet. But the thing is, you say uchiemu aho. Uchiemu aho means cover me. Uchiemu aho. Okay, in instance you're going out and it's cold, of course you're gonna feel cold. You say nyem kotu. Coat is jacket. Nyem kotu. Nyem kotu. Nyem kotum. Nyem kotum. Nyem kotum. Nyem kotum. Nyem kotum. That's give me my jacket. And we have akpụkpọ oyi. Akpụkpọ oyi is your winter shoe. Akpụkpọ oyi. Akpụkpọ oyi. Akpụkpọ oyi is your winter shoe. Do you understand? And we have socks sirike. Socks sirike. Socks sirike. Socks sirike is a thick socks. A thick socks to wear, of course, to shield yourself from cold. Socks sirike, thick socks. And we have another one, you know, you put on your hand. You put on your hand. We call it oyi aka. Oyi aka. Oyi aka. The hand glove you wear to cover your hands. Oyi aka. Oyi aka. Oyi aka. And the cap, the winter cap used for your head, we say okpu oyi. Okpu oyi. Okpu oyi. Okpu oyi. Okpu oyi. Okpu oyi. Good. And you know, during winter, before winter sets at its peak, the leaves on the trees, they fall off. Like the leaves on the trees, they fall off and become skeleton. So you can say ukwu osisi akpọchala nkụ. Ukwu osisi akpọchala nkụ. Ukwu osisi akpọchala nkụ. Ukwu osisi akpọchala nkụ. The trees are dried up, no leaves anymore. They're like skeleton. Ukwu osisi akpọchala nkụ. Do you understand? Do you understand? Ukwu osisi akpọchala nkụ. Oyi abịawala. Oyi abịawala. Oyi abịawala. Winter is coming. Oyi abịawala. Oyi abịawala. Do you understand? Of course. Snow na-ada. Snow na-ada. Snow na-ada. Snow na-ada. That is, snow is falling. Snow is falling. Look, you know, during winter, there's usually, you know, strong wind. And that strong wind comes with cold. So when that there is strong wind, you say, nnukwu ikuku oyi na eku. Nnukwu ikuku oyi na eku. Nnukwu ikuku oyi. Nnukwu ikuku oyi. Okay, that is strong wind. Okay guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the winter vocabulary. So feel free to use these words during winter this season, okay? And if you've not subscribed yet, please kindly do so, and also give this video a like, because when you give it, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people. Yes, and I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Okay, best of luck this season. Bye.